Alright, to force restart your HUAWEI Band 9, we have two ways. The first one is you can just press and hold this button on the right side of your band, and you will need to ignore this power-off menu. Just continue pressing till the screen will turn off completely, just like that. Now we can release the button, and to turn it on again we will need to press this button once more till we see the HUAWEI logo appears on the screen, and after that we will see the animation and the screen will turn on once more. And when it will turn on, I'm gonna show you the second way how to force restart your band. So now the screen is on, and as for the second way, just press and hold the same button again till you see the power off menu appears on the screen. But now we will need to release the button and select this option to restart. Then tap it again to confirm and simply wait till the screen will turn on again. And that's it, how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.